Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by running the built-in battery report. That gives you precise measurements. Open Start, type CMD, then right-click and choose Run as administrator so the tool can access system telemetry. Once done, run powercog/battery report/output %user profile %bec/battery report. HTML. This generates an HTML file in your user folder. Make sure you remember the output path because you will open that file next. This method reads Windows telemetry, so it's the authoritative data source for battery life and wear. You now open the saved battery report. HTML with your browser to interpret the numbers. Use Edge or Chrome for quick rendering. Read installed batteries. The key comparison is design capacity versus full charge capacity. That gap shows wear. Also check cycle count if listed, and the battery capacity history section to see trends. Once done, use recent usage and usage history to correlate drain events. Make sure to note dates and percentages so you can tell if capacity loss is gradual or sudden. You finish by quantifying wear. Subtract full charge capacity from design capacity, divide by design capacity, and multiply by 100%. That gives battery wear. If the report lacks cycle count or values, make sure you ran CMD as administrator, update the battery driver and BIOS, and retry. Vendor diagnostic tools can supply extra detail. Once done, use the wear percent to decide whether to recalibrate, adjust power plans, or replace the battery so your laptop reliably meets your needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.